What's orange and sounds like carrot? A parrot. Anyhow, speaking of carrots, one thing that I love to do in the spring and the summer here in Montana is garden. And last year I planted wildflowers and I loved it, and a vegetable garden. Even though my garden last year didn't do too good because the weather was really funky, but this year I'm super helpful with I'm gonna do some new things. So I'm gonna try some composting on my own, so I can get more organic material into the flower beds. But just because we're in the heart of winter here in Montana does not mean I can't garden. So let me show you my indoor gardening adventure. So this is my indoor greenhouse, and I actually brought my rosemary and my basil inside for the winter so I can keep it going. And I have tomatoes, which, if I'm completely honest, they should probably be in soil. Anyhow, and my winter activity for January and February is actually this: planning next year's garden. Now, of course, because I'm an efficiency expert, I just don't do regular planting. I do something called square foot gardening, and it actually optimizes your gardening space and you get a bigger yield. So if you're interested, let me know. It's fantastic. I've been doing it for 7 years now. Love it. So much fun. And it's based on science and engineering. I know, go figure. Like, I would find somebody that did that, but it makes sense. So that's one other thing that I like to do is gardening.